Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to add columns in existing table using Laravel migration. So let's get started with an example. So you can see that my Laravel app is up and running, and you can see over here in my table plus there is a already existing database. There is a by default some users I created, and if you click on it there is a default all the columns over here like name, email verified, password, and all the fields. Okay, and now let me go here and go to the database migrations, and you can see over here there is a default migrations like users and all the tables. Okay, so now what I want to do in this example, I want to add date of birth and gender column in users table. Okay, so how can I do? So let me go here and let me create new migration. So I will say php artisan mac migration, and I will say add date of birth columns in users table. Okay, and you can see that it's created a new migrations over here. So let me go here and you can see over here, and by default we already given the name in users table. So that means migration like Laravel already does this code, okay, with like a table. So if I go here in existing migration, there is a create means they will create a new table, but if you say just table, then that means you can add column in existing table. Okay, so let me go and I will use table, and then I will use data type and date of birth. Okay, birth column, and I will keep nullable. Okay, and then I'm going to add one more column. So I will say table, and then I will use teeny integer, okay, for gender, and then I will say nullable as well. Okay, so save it. So this is for when you run the migration, these two columns will add into the users table. Okay, now let me go, and if I roll back this migration, then I need to delete that column. Okay, so let me go here and I will say drop column. Here I'm going to add the name of the column. So I will say date underscore of birth. Okay, same thing, I will also drop gender. Save it. Okay, and now let me go and run the migration. php artisan migrate. Okay, you can see that migration is running over here, and let me go here and refresh, and if I choose one column, you can see that date of birth and gender, two columns added over here. Okay, now same migration, let me roll back. So php artisan migrate roll back. Okay, so that means this column will be removed. So let me refresh it, and if I choose this record, you can see that both column are removed, so you can easily understand. So let me go here, run it again the migration and refresh it, and if I choose record, you can see that date of birth and gender, both columns are added over here. Okay, so I hope guys you understand how we can easily add columns in existing table using migration. I hope guys you understand. If you like this video, then subscribe my channel for more videos. See you in the next videos guys.